Having constructed our box plot, let us now look at how we can improve how the box plot looks. The first thing is that when you are drawing a box plot, you have to determine whether computation of the quartiles includes the mean or excludes the mean. So how do we do that? When you come and select a box plot, and then you select format data series, and then you come and indicate whether it includes or excludes the median, whether the computation of the quartile calculation includes the median or does not include the median. So let's exclude the median. Then you can also indicate whether the box should show mean markers. So when you unselect the mean markers for selected plot, it will actually remain the X. When you go back and go to format data series and you show mean markers, then it will retain the marker for the mean. Now, one of the frustrations of a box plot is that you have to do each of the box plots independently. You can come and also change the color of the box plot for any of the box plots by clicking on the box plot and then going on the paint bucket, and then under the fill, then you select which color you would want to represent that box. However, how the box stands now, we do not know which box represents which subject. So we can select our chart and then we go on the tab. When our chart is selected, when you go to the ribbon tab, then there is a chart design, and then there is chart elements, and then under chart elements we have legend, and we can put a legend at the bottom. So bottom indicates to us what each of the boxes represent. We can delete the title if we don't need it, or we can actually type in the title and say class performance for different subjects. And then we can also have our title bold. Now let's remove the axis. We delete the axis, and now we can go and make interpretation of what our boxes mean. But before that, let's do two things. One, let's adjust the axis. One is that we can choose to have our axis begin at maybe 15 rather than 0. And then we shall have our maximum number as 100 as opposed to 120, because we know that the marking of subjects tends to stop at 100. So now let's see how to do that.